With technological development, the potential use of computers is increasing. At the same time, the need for powerful computers are also increasing. There is no alternative to desktop computers when it comes to high powerful personal computing, as laptops fail to reach the processing power that a desktop can provide. But desktop computers come with a big PC and monitor, takes a lot of space and is difficult to carry. To solve these issues, computer manufacturers have designed the all-in-one computers that deliver powerful computing but take less space on the desk and are easy to carry. Everyone knows Dell as one of the best computer producers. You've got it right. Today, we'll talk about Dell Precision 5720 AIO computer.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Dell Precision 5720 is a unique, stylish and powerful all-in-one computer. It comes with a 27-inch diagonal Ultra HD 4K touchscreen display which delivers high-quality visual output. The screen looks classy and it delivers a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. You would love to watch movies and videos on the screen. The touchscreen works great and it makes creative work such as graphic design, video editing fun. It has got Windows 10 installed along with other necessary applications. Dell Precision 5720 is a powerful computer as it comes with a super fast 7th generation 4.2 GHz Intel Core i7 7700 processor. The processor has got a cache memory of 8 MB, which ensures that the computer doesn't get slow. To support the ultra-fast processor, the computer has got a 16 GB DDR4 RAM with 2400 MHz bus speed. A powerful computer requires a powerful graphics processing unit, which is why this fantastic AIO has got 8 GB DDR5 AMD Radeon Pro WX 7100 graphics processor. The AIO has got 512 GB PCI Express M.2 NVMe Class 40 solid-state drive, which works way faster than the regular HDD drive. The built-in microphone and webcam would allow you to join a video conference without the help of an external microphone or a web camera. It comes with all modern connectivity features such as USB Type-C, HDMI, Wi-Fi, card reader, and others. The dimension of the product is 21 by 17 by 11 inches and it weighs around 37 pounds. Let's look into the user reviews to find out what users are talking about this all-in-one computer. The Precision 5720 is a new addition by Dell, which is why we have found only one review on the product. The AIO has got 4 stars out of 5 stars from the only review. We cannot find any user comments as the product is introduced in the market quite recently. That's all we have on the Dell Precision 5720 all-in-one desktop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.